My name is Michelle Spence, and I'm one of the librarians at Engineering and Computer Science Library. I'm also the liaison librarian for engineering science. We've already looked at ways to find research articles for your thesis or assignments. In engineering, there are other sources of information that are helpful when doing design projects or a thesis. These include standards and codes, and we'll look at how to find them today. So, let's take a look. A standard can be defined as a set of technical definitions and guidelines that function as instructions for designers, manufacturers, operators, or users of equipment. Standards help to ensure quality of products, safety of consumers, and interchangeability of parts. University of Toronto Libraries has many standards in full text online through 2 different sources. The first standard source we'll look at is TechStreet. TechStreet can be accessed from the Engineering and Computer Science Library's website at engineering.library.utoronto.ca. If you're accessing from off-campus, you'll be asked for your UTOR ID and password. TechStreet contains standards from ASHRAE, ASME, CGSB, CSA, IEC, ISO, NFPA, and UL. You can search by the standard number if you have one. I'm going to search for CAN CSA Z262.4. You can also search by keyword. I'm going to search for hockey puck. Once you've found a standard you're interested in, you can click on the title, and you'll be taken to the entry for that standard. You can see some information about the standard, and you can also click on the read link to download the PDF. Another source of standards is ASTM. ASTM used to be called the American Society for Testing and Materials, so you can tell that they have a lot of testing and materials related standards. To access ASTM, start at Engineering Library's homepage at engineering.library.utoronto.ca and either search for ASTM standards worldwide in the catalog, You can also access the ASTM standards by going through the Standards and Codes Research Guide and click on the ASTM Standards link. Like TechStreet, you can search for a specific standard number if you have it. I'm going to search for F717-10. You can also do a keyword search. I'm going to do a keyword search for helmets. You have to remember that ASTM contains more than just standards, so you may have to refine your results and only search for standards. If you find a standard that you're interested in, you can view it online or download the PDF. Codes are collections of laws. While standards can be seen as guidelines, you are legally required to follow codes. It's important to look at the codes for the geographic area you are interested in. There may be federal, provincial, or municipal codes, laws, or bylaws that you may need to follow. Laws are often available online on government websites. In Canada, federal laws are available on the Justice Laws website at laws.justice.gc.ca. You can search, or you can browse frequently accessed acts and regulations. In Ontario, you can search or browse for provincial laws on the eLaws website at www.ontario.ca/laws. City of Toronto bylaws are available on the City of Toronto Bylaws and Municipal Code website at www.toronto.ca/legaldocs/bylaws/lawhome.htm. While the full text of the acts and regulations are available online, it's important to note that some laws may refer to other standards that are not available online. For example, the Public Transportation and Highway Improvement Act in Ontario has a regulation that states that where any person undertakes or causes to be undertaken the design, evaluation, construction, inspection, or rehabilitation of a bridge, the design, evaluation, construction, inspection, or rehabilitation shall conform to A. the standards set out in the Canadian Highway Bridge Design Code, and B. the most current accepted engineering standards, guidelines, procedures, and practices. If you have questions about finding standards or codes, please ask at the Reference Help Desk in Engineering and Computer Science Library, or check out the Standards and Codes Research Guide. Need more research help? Contact Engineering and Computer Science Library. Our website is engineering.library.utoronto.ca. You can email us at engineering.library@utoronto.ca. You can call us at 416-978-6578. Or you can visit us at 10 King's College Road in room 2402. We're up on the second floor of the Sanford Fleming Building.